Alright, what we got here, went to Harbor Freight. I've got I forget what, a Porter cable, no, not Porter cable, it's the blue model of a gun, nail gun. So I had the tank and the hose still packaged. I got my manuals in here, and then like I've got the nail guns. I've got 3 different sizes. Got 3 different sizes. That's a big one. That's a medium one. And you know, it's nice to have a bag for this. I need to find some stuff to nail, because I want to use these. And they do give you some nails. So that's a big dog right there. And they give you a little box of 23 gauge, 18 gauge, and 16 gauge starting nails. So that's pretty cool. I'll have to go out and buy some more. And I've got the air compressor and the hose. Hose is all sealed up and everything. Hasn't been unraveled. But this will be nice to carry that in. And you know, you can hopefully I'll be able to do some nail stuff. But that's pretty cool. So I got that at Harbor Freight, and it was not that, you know, Harbor Freight's pretty cheap, so it wasn't bad. And then down in the basement, we've been clearing it out. Just took a bunch of stuff to the dump today. It was free if you have your utility bill, free once a year, and your driver's license and your vehicle's license plate number. So there's a lot of screws down in the basement, just all sorts of them, and we needed to get something that's gonna store a lot of those things. So I mean, I'll be able to store, you know, decent stuff in here, but they're kind of small. And then I went ahead and got another one that just it's a stand, really, like that, a stand. So I think this will be a little bit better. They had bigger ones, really nicer ones that the trays pull out, but they were online. So I just got this. Yeah, these are pretty big. That'll fit a lot of stuff in there. So you get all these trays. Looks like dividers. This has got a lot of storage space. I'm going to be able to put a lot of stuff in here, and smaller stuff in that other one. Instruction manual. And then this seems to be the stand. So you screw that all together, and you make a stand out of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a video of assembling this, so stand by for that. But that should help down in the basement with all the screws I have down there, and I'm going to have to do that in the garage too. So like and subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for the the video where I put this together.